She blessed it by giving it a kiss.
Is that right?
And the next person that was going to touch that was the chief.
Where did she kiss it?
No, I don't know where she kissed it. But
what part of the seat did she kiss?
Right on the seat.
Yeah.
It's been anyway, it's in the office right now.
Oh, I'm going to go and have a look at it in a
The
minute.
chief is sitting on it.
Really?
It's like Sunday Arvo Revolver in here at the moment.
Maybe this week, but straight to Club 23. It's inspiring people. I mean, we'll give a few shout-outs to Julio at CQ and Dale and Danny at Spy Lounge. They're calling me up, finding where they can get a copy of this, because the DJs have been inundated with requests. So.
Club news.
Anyway, on to the club news, because now it's getting silly.
I think Havana Brown wants it too. Oh, Havana.
Now, the dream club news. Here we go. I will. Yeah. The dream time and the chief just been in a photo together. At Footy Flog has sent in a.
At Footy Flog.
There's a few possibilities who that could be.
Oh no!
Wow!
Might be Manfred.
They've sent in a. They've sent in what they think the Kevin Bartlett statue should look like.
You know what? Where I might get one. I might get a plaque in the Dunnies there at the G somewhere. That's about it.
Oh, what have you done in the Dunnies there? Anyway, back to KB. Back to KB. From here? Well, no, down in Tasmania.
Oh, it's Lee, isn't it? Lee?
Yeah, Lee.
Lee, I don't do cabs.
Oh. Wow, can I just say, myself and Scottish will be down there looking for a cab.
You are a Uber imbecile. You.
He's also gone.
And he stepped into the black limousine in front of us here.
Roland needs to give it a vacuum.
He needs to tidy.
Flaring up my nose.
But thanks to Roland. Thanks to Roland, who's let us.
Yeah, thanks to
He's
Roland.
let us sit in. Headshots have dropped about 2%.
Well, what about if we made it just 2 witches' hats in the ground? 2 white witches' hats.
Don't be silly.
Don't be silly.
Champion data confirmed it.
Like your predecessor AC, because he one day, remember that day he had that seizure.
We've got an artichoke stuck halfway down his pipe.
It was called an artichoke.
It didn't have
He
quite
choked
enough
on an
olive oil
artichoke.
on it. It just didn't slide down. It got stuck down there. He did look good, and we'll talk about that when we cover the game. Sorry, I've just got a bit of the curried sausage.
Curried sausage.
Oh, gee.
So thanks for all the emails that came through during the week. Talking Tigers at Richmond FC.
You're not going to have it up and under, are you?
No, I'm not. But gee, I punched into those curried snags before the show. It just started.
I think you're going to have a Dan McGrew, aren't you?